Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore pipeline visibility using Salesforce report filters. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Reports tab located in the main navigation menu. Click on the New Report button to start creating a new report. Choose the report type that aligns with your pipeline needs. For pipeline visibility, select the Opportunities report type. Once selected, click on the Continue button to proceed. In the Report Builder, find the Filters pane on the left side of the screen. To add a filter, click on the Add button in the Filters section. In the drop-down menu, choose the relevant filter option, such as Stage to focus on specific opportunity stages. Select the desired stages you want to include in the report. You can also add additional filters, such as Close Date, to narrow down your results to a specific time frame. After selecting your filters, proceed to set the Show Me filter to ensure you're viewing the correct data. For example, you might select My Opportunities to only see those assigned to you. Next, adjust the date range if you included the Close Date filter. Click on the Apply button to refresh the report with the new filters. Review the visual representation of your pipeline in the report. If adjustments are necessary, return to the Filters pane to modify or add more filters. To save your report for future use, click on the Save and Run button at the top right. Give your report a meaningful name and choose the appropriate folder for easy access. Finally, click on the Save button to finalize your report. Now you have successfully restored your pipeline visibility using Salesforce report filters. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.